AI has made affiliate marketing, digital product creation easier than ever, which is exactly why most people will fail. Forget the noise you see everywhere. Let me show you exactly what you need to become successful in 2026. I'm not saying this as one random guy. I'm saying this as someone who has made a lot of money over the years in this space. And for the people who will watch this video to the end, I have a special gift waiting for you. Now, I can categorically tell what the trend in affiliate marketing actually looks like right now, and I can tell you for a fact that it has changed greatly. Before we go into what we need to know now, let me give you a background story of how I got into affiliate marketing in the first place.
Let's get straight to it.
It all started in 2016 when I was just a sales executive at a hospitality brand. So working in that space gives me opportunity to meet a good number of people. And it got to a point that some of them started asking me, where can I get this? Where can I get that? And all of that kind of stuff, right? While some were saying this hotel is too expensive, can you recommend a more budget friendly for me? That was the point I now said to myself, I could actually monetize these opportunities. So I went ahead to meet a few hotels around our area, then struck a deal with them that I'll be sending in some guests and they will have to give me something small in return. So I started connecting client to business around my city. Sometimes I will get a small commission for it. I didn't even have a name for what I was doing back then. All I was doing was, if you need something, I will tell you where to get it. Basically, to me, I was doing something that felt natural, reading people, connecting them to what they actually need, then getting little pay in return. Then in 2017, I was on YouTube one night scrolling, then I saw this guy, Wesley Virgin, talking about affiliate marketing, showing good numbers, showing lifestyle. I was like, Omo, don't be waiting at the do normally with this. And these guys are here making a lot of money online with it. This is like an online version of what I was already doing. Like someone had just put a name to something I already know existed but couldn't describe it. For me, that was the moment. Now, here is where the story actually gets really, really painful, expensive, and honestly embarrassing. So I started researching which platform am I going to use. Then I find out that a lot of people at that point were talking about Digistore24 and ClickBank. This thing was everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, people were talking about these two platforms. But there was one small problem. I'm from Nigeria. You see, this platform, as at that time, I don't know about now. They were not accepting people like us. I mean, people in third world countries, so they call it. But the practical reality was, if you were sitting in Abuja trying to create an account on ClickBank, Digistore24, you were going to hit a wall. So what did we do? We started searching for backdoors. And the dominant advice we could get on YouTube as at that time was basically to use a VPN. So we will mask our location, create accounts, and we got in. We started promoting content on these platforms. And for a while, it felt like it was actually working. I was putting the work, I mean real work, creating content, sharing links, driving traffic. I had made close to £2,000 on Digistore24 as at that time. Then one morning, I woke up and tried to log in. My account got suspended. Just like that, everything gone. All the commission I've been accumulating, gone. The work I had put in, all of them gone. And the reason here is not that I actually did something wrong. The reason was that their system somehow was able to detect that I was actually logging in from Nigeria. But here's the lesson, and it is very, very important. The lesson was not affiliate marketing doesn't work. The lesson was build on ground that actually hold your weight. Because I was busy chasing the platform that had most noise around them. And I never stopped to ask this question. Is this platform actually built for someone in my position? After that hard lesson, I now found JVZoo and Warrior Plus, platforms that didn't punish me for being Nigerian, platforms where I could actually build something without looking over my shoulder. Every morning wondering if today is going to be the day they'll finally kick me out or everything that I've made will disappear again. So now I've found platforms that actually work for where I am. Good, right? But I was still making a different kind of mistake this time, a quieter one, the one that took longer actually to notice. I was promoting products that I liked. You know, when the name sounds cool, when I feel the landing page is great and I like the name, I will just promote it. And I did not stop to think about who is this product actually built for and who was actually looking for this product. I wasn't asking those questions. I was recommending things the same way you will recommend a restaurant to your friend based on vibes. I remember one time I put in a lot of work and got almost nothing, not even a single sale. And this is not because the product was bad, but because I had never for one stop and ask the most important question in this whole business. Who is sitting somewhere right now feeling something that they don't want to feel anymore? And does this product I am about to promote actually speak to that fact? The good news here is that everything changed when I figured out that people don't buy products. They buy the end of the feeling they are tired of carrying. They buy the end of confusion, the end of feeling like everyone else is moving and they are standing still. The end of watching someone else in the same city, in the same community, with the same background, figuring out something they are yet to figure it out themselves. When someone clicks a link to your affiliate offer, something has already been activated inside them. A frustration, a hope, a quiet fear that they are running out of time. So your job and my job this time is not to just go ahead and convince them, but is to speak to something that they are already feeling and not trying to open their wallet before opening up their mind. That is the wrong order. So to be successful in this space in 2026 and beyond, your content needs to acknowledge the feeling first. The mind follows and the wallet follows. Now, I want to tell you why I'm specifically saying all of this right now. Because the mistakes I made back then, promoting without real understanding, talking about building trust, that mistakes is 10 times more dangerous today. You know why? The AI has made it effortless to sound like you know what you are talking about. Anyone can basically generate script, slap the voiceover on it and upload it to YouTube. The content machine currently is running at a speed nobody has ever seen, which means your audience are swimming in content from people who have never done the thing they are teaching. People are beginning to feel this. At least most of them are beginning to. They can feel the difference between someone who has been in the trenches, who has sat down with real frustration and kept going, and someone who fed a prompt into ChatGPT at midnight. I've been in the trenches since 2016. The hospitality background, the code referrals around my areas, and the VPN mistakes. Not to talk about the suspended account and the revenue, the commissions, I never get paid. Those experience is not in any course you can buy today. So whatever your background is, whatever you have been doing, whatever you have been learning the hard way, that is your unfair advantage. Not your equipment, not your follower count, and certainly not your editing software. Your real, tested, lived experience. Now, the problem here is that most people have never sat down to package it properly. So if I could sit down with a 2016 version of me, here's what I'm going to tell him. Before you promote anything, stop and ask, who is this person that this product was actually built for? What are they afraid of? What do they actually want? And what is the one thing they need to hear before they can trust me enough to take action? Whether you're selling your own digital product or promoting an affiliate offer, build a solid ground first with content. Do not bypass the rules. Just because someone else is doing it, it might not work for you. Find the platform, the channels, the approach that actually works for where you currently are. Shortcuts that work for someone in Atlanta might not work for you in Nigeria. So learn the terrain. Here's the thing, you build trust first before you build anything else. And trust is not something you can manufacture. It's something you earn video by video or whatever content pattern you are comfortable using. Hear this. In a current world drowning with AI content that sounds polished but feel hollow, real trust is worth more than it has ever been. And most importantly, package yourself. That is what you know, even when it feels obvious to you. That thing you are taking for granted is genuinely valuable to someone who is exactly where you were 5 years ago, but they can only find you if you package it properly. That is what this channel is going to be about. No theories, no recycle script, real experience, real numbers, real lessons from someone who has been doing this since 2016 and is still learning. Now, remember from the beginning of this video, I talked about those who will be staying to the end of the video. There's going to be a gift waiting for you. Here it is. The next video I'm going to be posting on this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to find the digital product that's already sitting in your experience. The thing you love so well that you've stopped noticing it. The thing someone will genuinely want to pay for. However, I'll put together a detailed step-by-step processes in a guide that will help you find what is already selling, that will help you get started. Now that you've stayed to the end of this video, you're going to get it for free. It's a guide I'm already selling. It will show you what to post, how to post it, how to use AI to make your life better, how to make AI to create your digital product based on what people are actually looking to buy. So you won't make mistake creating product that no one wants to buy. All you need to do is to comment on this video, I want the guide. Then check the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to a private WhatsApp channel. That is where you will be getting it for free. Alright guys, if you learned anything from this video, I will appreciate if you give it a like or share with someone who actually needs it.